Hello! Today we're doing a TikTok trend in my kitchen. I currently have dinner in the oven, so excited. I'm making Alabama white chicken something. Look at this. That's the sauce. It's amazing. Recipe will be linked down below. If you didn't guess it, we're doing the dirty soda. Apparently this is a Utah thing. If you haven't seen it all over TikTok, then what are you doing, reading books? Good for you, that's great. 3 ingredients. You start off with your base, which is Dr. Pepper, and then sweet cream, coconut milk creamer. This was all but sold out because of all you TikTok Gen Z B words, besties. But I found one around the corner, so. Last but not least, you need a lime. Let's move. All right, the lighting's just gonna be horrendous. We're just gonna deal with that later. What the feck? Don't be a dick. Is that okay? Glass with ice. Dr. Pepper. We're doing Dr. Pepper first. Pour the right way, people. It's not that hard. We're gonna start out with that. Yeah, we're not starting with that. I need more Dr. Pepper. I have a feeling I know how this is gonna taste. I am a Italian soda or like coconut creamer B word bestie. Here we go. Look at that, so toot. Typically if I wasn't filming a video I wanted to be bougie, I would just go in with like squeezable lime stuff, but because it's a trend I had to go get a lime. I'm not gonna use this other than this video, so kind of a waste of money. And then just lime juice, apparently. Oh my god. Ooh. I don't know how much to put in, so. Now my hand's wet. And a reusable straw, because I'm trying to be that trendy bitch. It tastes exactly like I thought it would, but different. It literally just tastes like a cream soda. Like, it tastes like Dr. Pepper with cream, but I think what's funky is the little bit of lime. I'm a lime gal. I use lime in almost everything. Okay, it's kind of like if you were to make a root beer float, but with Dr. Pepper, and instead of vanilla ice cream, you use coconut ice cream. Wow, okay. I guess I found my drink for the summer. I'm gonna get going. I hope you enjoyed this little pointless, trendy trend video today. My chicken. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.